What do you know? Hey everybody, so a few videos ago I ordered a resonator delete for my car, and come to find out the car had already had that done to it. So I sent the resonator delete back to ECS and I ordered this bad boy right here, and it arrived finally. That was back in August and now it's October. So we're going to go back over to Malthouse Motorworks and go see how that install goes. Here we go. Welcome back everybody. So this is the OEM piece we took off. It was here, protecting all of this. Well, trying to. And what's in the box? Well, that's my new skid plate. We forgot to do the unboxing video. Robert, get it back in. Whoa, shit, almost fell over. So this is what's going in. Looks fancy. Street Shield, yes, to protect you underneath the car. Doing all this to protect this. The oil pan on this car is plastic. One bump and we're in trouble. Never realized how thick that was. That is thick. OEM, not so much.
So it bites into the plastic and doesn't pull off the plastic. Where this one's so much thicker, I couldn't get this one onto that. So they give you a thicker only two-sided clamp. So I put it on here.
So that goes there. Non-removal. We're going with blue. We're going with a blue. Well, here you can see. We are concerned that the shaking will, when I say we, I mean Robert, is concerned that the shaking will get these loose, so we're going to put some blue Loctite on there so it'll stay tight. That's all we need, is that little bit?
Yeah. They'll bind into the threads and keep it from moving.
Next. Hey everybody, do you remember in the previous video, you probably saw it, I had ordered a, what did I order? Hey everybody, do you remember a few videos back I ordered a resonator delete from ECP, USP, whatever.